Let go of him.
I'll let go of him. When I give him to the giants, I just stop.
Leave him alone.
Keep away from him.
No.
Stop. Stop. I said stop. Where did you find this?
I'm sorry, sir.
It's my wife's.
I'm sorry. I came upon her. She was at the bottom of a cliff.
What are you saying?
How awful.
No. No. This is all my fault. I shouldn't have let her wander off alone. I should have made her stay with me.
Remorse will get you nowhere.
My wife is dead.
Wake up! When you're dead, you're dead. It's time we get this boy to the giant before we're all dead.
No, wait, no!
This is no time to be soft-hearted. He's going to the giant, and I'm taking him.
Yes. Yes, he's the one to blame. It's because of you there's a giant in our midst and my wife is dead.
Oh, this is my fault. I was given those beans. You persuaded me to trade away my cow for beans. And without those beans, there'd have been no stock to get up to the giants in the first place.
Wait a minute, magic beans for a cow so old that you had to tell a lie to sell it, which you told were they worthless beans, were they oversold? Oh, and tell us who persuaded you to steal that gold.
See, it's your fault. No.
Yes, it's your fault.
No. Yes, it is. It's not.
It's true.
Wait a minute. Though I never stole the gold to get my cow back from you. So it's your fault. Yes.
No, it isn't. I'd have kept those beans, but our house was cursed. She made us get a cow to get the curse reversed.
It's his father's fault that the curse got placed and the place got cursed in the first place.
Oh, then it's his fault.
So,
it was his fault. No.
Yes, it is. It's his.
I guess. Wait a minute, though I jumped on a beanstalk, right, that's clear, but without any beanstalk, then what's queer is how did the second giant get down here in the first place? Second place? Yes. How? Well, who had the other bean?
The other bean?
The other bean? You pocketed the other bean.
I didn't. Yes, I did.
So it's your fault.
No, it isn't, because I gave it to my wife.
So it's her
No,
fault.
it isn't.
Then whose is it?
Wait a minute. She exchanged that bean to obtain your shoe, so the one who knows what happened to the bean is you.
You mean that old bean that your wife, oh dear, but I never knew, and so I threw, well, don't look here. So it's your fault, but it's her fault, but and it isn't mine at all.
But what?
Well, if you hadn't gone back up again, we were needy. You were greedy. Did you need that pen? But I got it for my mother. So it's her fault then. Yes, and what about the harp in the third place?
The harp, yes.
She went and dared me to. I dared you to. You dared me to. She said that I was scared, so she did. No, I didn't.
So it's your fault.
Wait a minute. You hadn't dared him to.
And you would left the harp alone. We would
You
have been
hadn't
in
thrown
trouble
away the bean in the first place. She had the bean. You had the wisdom in the first place. Beans in the first place. You're responsible. You're the one to blame. It's your fault.